What's going on, guys? Your boy Sparta back with a brand new video. It's been way too long since I did an unboxing. Today, as you can see, I'm going to unbox the Dji Fpv Combo. Comes with the goggles, the headset, and the drone itself. I can't remember last time I even did an unboxing video for YouTube. I miss posting YouTube videos. I've been so freaking busy, man, between work and the clients. I picked up some new clients now, so especially when you got clients wants you to do stuff for free, which that ain't happening. So I gotta go back and forth with that client, but whatever. But that's how it is, man. If you want to make money, you gotta deal with it. But it's finally here. I finally ordered this drone. I always wanted the FPV drone. I just don't have the time to do the research on it and build one from scratch. You gotta do like measurements, calculations. You gotta get body. Like I just couldn't do it. I just didn't have time either, especially with my schedule. So now they released this bad boy right here. So basically, this video is gonna be pretty much me unboxing, and then I'm gonna release another video. Maybe I'll put this video together, but of me flying the drone in the in the in the waterfront in Pisco where I live. So hopefully you guys like it, and please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate the support on my channel. I've been slacking, but I'm trying to get back onto the game. But so pretty much we're gonna start unboxing this bad boy, see what it comes with, what's $1,300 gonna give you in this combo. So I already unboxed it because I had to update the software and stuff like that on it. I had to update the software, and plus it's real cold out here, so I'm trying to make it nice and short, so this way I could put in me flying the drone a little bit and stuff. So but yeah, so let's get right into the unboxing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna unbox it, and there it is, the drone itself and the goggles. Let's take the drone out first, and there it is. Look at that, look at that. Ain't that something? Got the little DJI symbol in the front. If we spin it, and it has the FPV, and then you got the battery in the back, and then obviously the camera's in the front. But it's always a problem taking these off. Maybe I could take it off with one hand. Let's see if I could take it off with one hand, because it's always, there you go, yay, all right. And there goes the camera. So this camera only goes up and down. It's not a 3-axis gimbal, so it only goes up and down. And usually with FPV, that's what they made. They go up or down, that's it. And you have to rotate the whole drone itself in order to fly these things. So it's not a 3-axis gimbal. So, but the battery is in the back. So the battery itself comes out like this. And there you go. Oh. That's the battery. And obviously the goggles. These goggles are freaking dope, and the way you see this is crystal clear, man. 120 frames per second, man. 1080 resolution. Like, you can see everything with this freaking thing, man. Like, as soon as you get up in the sky, and it's so freaking awesome. FPVs are it's a different beast, man. This is not no Mavic 2 Pro or Mavic Air 2. This is straight racing. Like, you can straight legit break these type of drones, but it's really solid and durable. I actually crashed over here around there, and it survived earlier doing some testing on it. But I wanted to focus on the unboxing for today, and hopefully I'll make a little clip me flying around and stuff. But yeah, so there you go. They have the drone, the goggles, and well, that's my tripod, so that doesn't come with it, but that's just how it is. And then when you take out the box itself, you got this charges up the goggles itself, so it has a wire and everything. And then you got the controller the controller itself right here. And then it comes with the controller props inside, and you pretty much screw them in, and you have different modes right here. You have a see right here, there you go, neutral. You got a neutral mode, regular, normal mode, excuse me, neutral. Normal mode is top, and then you click down for sport mode, and then you click all the way down for manual mode. Manual mode is pretty much like obstacle avoidance is off, all that good stuff. And you know, obviously this it does have sensors, but like not the sensors where it's gonna stop it. The sensors, right? It's gonna show where it's a GPS tracking system on it. It knows where the drone is at. It tells you exactly where it's at. You know, and all that great stuff. But it's not gonna stop, man, because this thing goes fast. I mean, real fast. And you know, this is a different ball game for me. I mean, this is a different level. So far, and then it comes with propellers in the boxes, and the propellers you put it in and you quick snap. I'll do a quick little snap real quick for you guys. I'm doing everything in one hand. So obviously, you matching the color, you know. So let's say you have here a red tip. So the red tip goes here. You push it down, and then it locks into place. So I'm gonna leave it like that because I'm using my mirrorless camera with one hand, and it comes with the more propellers as well on both sides, and it comes with more stuff in here, and the stuff that's in here. Here we go. Just open it up, and it comes with a new cover. It's green, which I think is kind of ugly, but I like this matty black type of color here. You see, it's like a matty black clear, and you can see like the screws and the Jeep and the chips. Look at that. That's dope. That's the deal right there. And it comes with some screws, some extra. Well, now the sun's coming out. And it comes with the antennas. This is one of the antennas that goes on the goggles itself. And then what you do is you plug it in. Screw it in right here. Excuse me, not plug in. Screw it in. And grab another one. And these are the antennas that communicate with the drone. So this way you can see what's going on. And obviously, whatever you see through this little bad boy right here is what you see on the goggles. And it's kind of interesting. As soon as you put these antennas right on the goggles, you're like Ant-Man, like a character or like a superhero or whatever. And that's pretty much how you end up looking like. And it's pretty cool though, and it's actually kind of comfortable. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. It actually feels pretty darn good. So let me keep screwing this on. And I did. Look, everything with one hand, man. I'm a freaking magician. And that's the goggles right there. It lights up and everything on the side here. But yeah, that's it. That's the goggles. So there you have it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. And I'm going to do some more flying, and I'll do a little clip for you guys. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.